In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Read More link to long posts on your WordPress website. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking the browser icon. Then, in the search bar, enter your WordPress website credentials and log into your website. After logging in, you will be on the WordPress website homepage. In the left navigation bar, look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up. Then click the Add New Plugin option. This will take you to the Add Plugins page. Here, on the right side, left-click the search bar and type Read More without refreshing the page. Hit Enter. Click Install Now on the plugin after the search results pop up. Then click Activate on the plugin to activate it. Now, to use this plugin, look for the Posts option in the left navigation bar. Hover over it and then click All Posts. In the new page, choose the post you want by clicking the Edit button on the post. To put the Read More option into your post, simply put two brackets where you want the Read More link to start, then type Read More between the brackets. Next, put two brackets with Read written in between them where you want the Read More link to end. That's it.